Engineers from Singapore and Japan have taken cyborg cockroaches to the next level by giving them the ability to move underwater. These remote-controlled insects were already able to crawl through tiny gaps and piles of debris that are impossible for most robots to reach. Now, thanks to a clever new attachment, they can keep exploring even when those spaces are flooded. The team uses Madagascar hissing cockroaches because they're naturally great at squeezing through narrow openings and climbing over rough surfaces. Tiny electronic backpacks send wireless signals to the insects, gently steering them left or right, while the cockroaches handle their own balance and navigation. The biggest challenge was water. Cockroaches breathe through tiny openings along their bodies, and once those get submerged, they quickly run out of air. To solve that problem, the researchers designed a lightweight 3D printed backpack with a miniature oxygen generator. Inside, a chemical reaction creates oxygen, which is delivered through tiny silicone tubes directly to the insect's breathing openings. A flexible waterproof cover keeps a pocket of air around those areas, allowing the cockroach to breathe while underwater. The design is light enough that the insects can still move almost as naturally as they do on land. Earlier versions made the cockroaches flip over underwater, but redesigning the backpack fixed the balance issue. During testing, the cyborg cockroaches successfully crawled through flooded tubes and underwater obstacle courses that mimicked damaged buildings and flooded pipelines. Without the oxygen system, the insects stopped moving after just a few minutes. With the new backpack, they stayed active for up to 3 hours. Their speed underwater dropped only slightly compared to their movement on dry land, showing that the added equipment had very little impact on their mobility. This breakthrough could become a valuable tool for search and rescue missions. These tiny cyborg cockroaches may soon help emergency teams reach flooded storm drains, submerged basements, and water-filled earthquake rubble where larger robots and even people simply can't go.